Welcome to Research Rocks. If you want legalize your marriage certificate or any other document, so you need to come here. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Denmark. I already added the address in video description. Stuff you didn't pay here. Look at this. Then you should enter here. So take your token from here and kind of iPad is available here. Using this iPad you can pay here your apostille document fees, and that one is a 230 Danish krona of each document. After purchase 230 Danish krona, you take a receipt as a token and you wait here. And here is the counter. You just provide your documents of the lady. The lady is collect the documents, check as you are paying fees or not. If you are paying fees, so the lady are providing one of the. So this is my marriage certificate. I pay here 230 Danish krona. After that they are providing this sticker, back side of the marriage certificate. So this is now is a legal document here in Denmark. Remaining video we will see on website how to make legalization or apostille documents in Denmark. If you are get married in outside Denmark or inside Denmark and you are a foreigner, so you need to make this particular documents as a legalization. How to make this legalization documents, where is available this facility, what is the price, we will see detailed demonstration. I will show you some of the information on website. You need to enter this particular website, legalization/apostille. You click here. So this is a particular website, when is available and what is the timing. Here look at this, every weekend from 9 to 12 and Tuesday and Thursday again open 1:30 to 3:30 in between. Otherwise entire Monday to Friday is open 9 to 12 morning. If you scroll down here all informations are available, how many documents you require, when you receive your apostille, after you went there, pay some of the fees, and what is the fees paid, we will see. Look at this here, closing dates and all informations are available here. You can ask chatbot direction of this office. I already added this office address in video description. Web shop, you can do this process inside the office, but I will show you this process here also. You can pay as a safe site in your home. So this is a page, like look at this, apostille and legalization particular documents. We need to purchase here, purchase apostille legalization. How many documents you are, like one or two. If I click here 2, so you need to pay extra. One document fees is a 230 Danish krona. You can simply purchase here, and you need to add here your all information, private person, your address, name, or remaining information. After that, purchase overview, payment, and you receive receipt, and you just simply submit the counter. The lady are providing you one of the printout and after that such kind of email you are receiving. I just couple of days ago complete my apostille documents as a marriage certificate, Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Denmark, and they are providing me, this is a receipt of mine, this is one of the documents, but they are informing here within a 5 working days your legalized document they are sending by post. So that's point of view, they are charging 230 Danish krona. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.